Quick guide on how to change the air filter on a 986 Porsche. First, get the car into service mode. To check out how to get the Porsche into service mode, click the link above. Buy a suitable air filter. This one's from Euro Car Parts. Take it out of its casing. Once that's done, take a look at the left-hand side of the engine bay or passenger side for UK cars, just above the intake manifold. You'll see a black box. There's two spring clips holding the tray in place. Push those out of the way. You might need a screwdriver. I managed to do it with my hands, and the tray will pull out. Once the tray is pulled out, you'll see the old manky air filter. Remove that and simply fit your new one in, making sure that it's a nice snug fit. Remove any obvious debris from the box itself, then push the tray back into the box and do up the two clips. Simple as that. Well, actually, it's a really snug fit, so I used my hand as a hammer, and that's how the clips popped back on. And then that's it. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Cheers, thanks for watching.